What's going on, everybody? We are back. The fine folks out at High Boost, they reached out to us and said, hey, you want to put one of these in your Jeep? I said, yes, I do. So here we are today. We've got the High Boost. Which one we got here? We got the Travel 3.0 Explorer. Let's open this thing up and see what we got in the box here. We got some user's manual. Looks like some butyl rubber. Got some zip ties, some more rubber. This is the little antenna holder that goes where we're gonna mount that. We've got the main unit. Looks like we've got our bracketry. This goes like on a like your semi mirrors, your big off-road mirrors. Here's our mounting plate. Pull out, make your adjustment, let it snap back in. Here is our main antenna. Quality unit here. Well, that's short. Oh, this must be for the extension cable that they give you. And then we've got power. We've got our internal antenna. And we've got our spring base that goes on here first. Yeah. Oh, actually, you know what? We've got this little guy that goes on there first. There we go. Okay, that goes like that. And then there was another little guy that goes on there. Should screw on. All right, well, there's that. Let's see where we're gonna put it on the Jeep. Let's get the Jeep over here in place. Okay, after we went through the box, we opened everything up, we kind of opened the Jeep up, try to figure out where we're gonna put this thing. After pulling the taillight out, I found a bunch of room in there, and we were able to go ahead and mount it right here on the back corner. It's about as high up as we could get it. I think we're gonna mount the brain right down here on the inner fender well, and then I already have power because I have my air compressor down here. I got some power back in the back, so we're gonna hook up a little cigarette lighter unit right here to power it all up, and we're gonna mount the main brain right there on that little edge. So let's go ahead and do that now. We're gonna use this stuff called Duo Lock. It's like heavy duty Velcro. Stick it right here on these two spots that they actually have marked out on the back. Other one here, and we want to wipe this off with something, I would imagine. Aha, look at that one. Ask and you shall receive. Okay, and then we'll take the outdoor and we'll face it up. That looks like, hell, that'll sit right there. Really nice. Okay. And stick that out right there. Might make it kind of a pain in the butt to get the cable on there, but let's see. Oh boy, oh no. We have to use that extension cable. The reason why we got to do that is it's got the same end on the brain as the antenna, so you can't just mount it close. You have to screw it into here. 15 foot, 4 meter extension. It'd be nice if they had the option of like something like this. Hey, High Boost, give us one of these that looks like this. It's just kind of like a back-to-back deal. So if we can mount it close, we don't need to run the whole 15 footer. Like that. Okay. No shark's teeth, please. cut your zip ties smooth. Okay, now I think the next thing that we'll do is we will hook up the power. We picked this guy up off of Amazon. Just a very simple power lead with an on-off switch, which gives us our cigarette lighter adapter and a couple of USB ports. So we're gonna stick that like right there. Let's stick it, just stick it. Ready, bam! There it is, all in, just mounted up. All we gotta do is wire it up, plug it in, test it out. Okay, I already had power ran to the back of the Jeep here for, we have one of those cooler refrigerator powered deals. And then I installed the compressor back here. I did a whole video on it, and here's my hoses for it. If you haven't seen it yet, we'll leave a link up here in the description, or down below in the description, and whatever up here in the corner, however that works. Yeah, you know what I mean. So we got our power outlet wired up in there. It's kind of nice, turns on and off. It's got a little digital display. And then the high boost one, it also has its own power on and off. The way I did this, it allowed me to fold down the antenna when the Jeep's covered up, and when it's not, we can just click it up, stand it straight up, and then down here you can see the USB port there, and the high boost gives you a USB in their power adapter, so you don't lose one, which is kind of nice. And then I've got the cell phone antenna part of it down here, just sitting here for now. So now that we got this all kind of hooked up, wired up, now we got to put the app on our phone. And now that we got everything hooked up in the Jeep, now it's time to go up in the woods, I guess, and go get lost and see if we can find no cell phone service, find the perfect spot to test this thing out. So let's go there now. Go ahead and turn it on after we got our little power supply installed there. And we got blue lights, solid blue light. Gonna run a quick speed test here, see what we get before we do anything. This will be our baseline out here in the Pacific Northwest woods. We are far from anywhere. And look at there, 22.67, not too shabby. So let's go ahead and we'll pop the antenna up, come up here near the front where the antenna is actually at. Just switched to 5G, saw that there. We'll run our test again. Uh, 104. Yeah, we're looking 5 times better than we were, roughly. So, yeah, 107.28, not too bad. So, yeah, as you can see, the Explorer 3.0 from High Boost. Got the packaging right here. Traveler 3.0, ExplorerX cell phone booster. This thing works great. So, you guys want one? Follow the link in the description down below. Don't forget to use the discount code. Save yourself a little bit of money. Help the channel out a little bit. Hope you guys found this informative, and we'll see you guys in the next one.